Dear staff members, this is the sports hall. We are going to show you how the audio system and the video system works in the sports hall. As soon as you come to the sports hall, the first thing you do is, this is a speaker, this is a receiver. You have a big screen here on which the laptop will be projected, and also you have a white screen there where the laptop is going to be projected. The microphone is always on the podium. Alright? So let's start with this. Make sure that the speaker is turned on. So if you see there's an on button here, press on it and you hear a sound. That means the speaker is turned on. Right? You'll see the lights flickering on the speakers. That means the speaker is on. Next, you need to turn on the receiver. To turn on the receiver, just make sure the switches are on here. So you just turn on the switch. This is for the speaker. It will charge the speaker. The speaker has batteries. And this goes to the extension which powers the receiver. Now if you just check this, the receiver is on. You can see the digit 4 there, which means now it's connected and the mic can be used. So our speaker is ready. It's all connected. Now let's just go to the podium. Every time you come to the podium, you'll see the mic is ready. It's switched off. Always leave it off when you're done with your classes. Now if I switch this on, once it turns to green, that means the mic is ready. Hello, can you hear me, madam? Good. So now the mic works. The speaker, you can hear yourself on the speaker because we just switched on the speaker. Alright? This is how to turn the mic off. The light completely goes off, right? So that's basically how the mic works. Whenever you leave the class, switch it off, leave the mic there. Next, we are going to see how to power on these two screens and make it map to your computer. It's very easy. So what you do is make sure you're logged into your computer here. You know, you're logged in. Now you come back, come here to the screen, power on the screen. So you're going to see this when you power on. Alright, this is where you can write if you want, but this is just for showing the screen. So you have this import and export. Click on import, click laptop, and in laptop you have two options, HDMI and wireless. Click on HDMI. The moment you click, you'll see your screen is mapped here. Just click on the full screen so that it's seen full screen. Yeah, so that's how you work out the white screen. Now let's go and check the big black screen. But for that, you need the remote. And the remote for the TV is this. Right? So you take the remote, that's the on button. Just click it. And the TV should turn on and you should see your screen. Now remember, when we came into the classroom, we switched on everything, which means the TV is powered. Alright? If this doesn't work, just make sure if the switches are on here. Just a troubleshooting step. If everything's on, they should work when you click on the on button on the remote. That's the TV, that's the other screen, the speakers are fine. Basically, this is the setup. So I just want to let you know one thing. The microphone has a battery in it. If you feel the battery is going low and the microphone's not working, we have a spare battery near the podium for you. You just need to take the spare battery, plug it in, and put the cover back. Now, one thing to remember, these batteries are rechargeable batteries. So please do not throw it. When the battery is over, just keep it on the monitor. You know, the base below the monitor, just keep it here so that Badr knows that those batteries are the ones that needs to be recharged. Just keep it on the base. Remove it, keep it under the base. Take the new battery and plug it in. So the most important thing is to switch off everything when the class is over. You shut down your, you switch off your PC or log out from your PC. Come here, press it once. You'll get the screen, close this. Yes, now our sharing is gone. Press it for a long time, a long key press, and it goes off. Number one. Number two is take the remote. I'll do it from here. It's not working. It worked. switch off the TV from the remote. Keep this desk near the podium. Please don't leave it anywhere else because the staff coming next might not know where it is. It needs to be on the podium. And coming back here, the speaker's on. You can see the lights. Just press on the on-off button, just like how you did at the very beginning. You hear that sound, and then you'll see the lights go off. Everything's off. The orange light that you see here is the battery is charging, so don't worry about that. You hear the sound, that means it's off. Once you're done, you can turn off this switch, or if you want, you can leave it on. It doesn't matter because this is anyway charging, right? So no problem with that. Just turn off the speaker so the students don't mess with it. Thank you so much.